go, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down!
Yes!
Whew. Yeah, so apparently there's something in that cake, and he used it to escape. And then I got fired. Pretty lame, huh? Yeah, I don't really like this. What?
Please, shut up.
Oh, I was just trying to have a conversation, you know, since, I mean, we're partners, so I just wanted to get to know each other a little bit, you know? I just kind of wanted to have a conversation. It's just, you know, just to lighten things up. I mean, what's gonna happen in a museum? I mean, really. You feel a draft at all?
Hey,